If you want to take your app global, localization isn't optional. It's your growth unlock. In this lesson, we'll explore how to localize your App Store metadata to expand your reach, connect with new users, and dominate international markets. Let's start with why localization matters. In 2025, more than 70% of global app revenue comes from users whose first language isn't English. That means if your app is only optimized for English-speaking users, you're leaving massive growth on the table. Localization is about more than just translation. It's about adapting your app's messaging to match the culture, language, and behavior of different regions. It's the difference between sounding like a visitor and sounding like a trusted local. So what should you localize? Start with the core metadata. App title, subtitle iOS or short description, Google Play, full description. Screenshots and preview captions if possible. These are the pieces that shape visibility in search results and impact conversion once users hit your page. Step 1. Prioritize high-potential markets. Don't try to localize for 30 countries at once. Use your analytics and ASO tools to find where your app is already getting traffic, even without localization. Then start with the top 3-5 markets showing potential. Maybe it's Brazil, Germany, Japan, or France. Once you know where to localize, it's time to get precise. Step 2. Don't just translate, transcreate. Literal translations won't cut it. You need to adapt tone, style, and word choice to fit cultural expectations. For example, in Japan, shorter, minimalist descriptions perform better. In Germany, detailed explanations with specific features are preferred. Use native speakers or localization experts to transcreate your listings. Better yet, test multiple localized variations to see what performs best. Step 3. Keyword localization. Each region has its own search behavior. A direct translation of a keyword might not be what users in that country are actually typing. Use your ASO tools to research localized keyword volumes and competition in each target language. For example, the word planner in English might not map perfectly to what Spanish speakers search for. Look for semantic equivalents that carry the same meaning but match local search trends. Step 4. Localize visuals when it makes sense. Your screenshots and preview videos can also be localized, especially if your app features region-specific content. Even changing the UI language in screenshots can increase conversions by showing users they're seen and supported. In markets like Korea or China, visuals often need to be bolder and denser with information. In Western Europe, clean, minimalistic visuals usually win. Step 5. Test, track, and iterate. Just like with your primary listing, localization is not set and forget. Track performance in each market. Measure changes in impressions, tap-through rate, and conversion rate. Use that data to improve your localized metadata regularly. In 2025, successful apps don't just speak multiple languages, they speak to people. So if you're ready to unlock new markets, increase installs, and turn your app into a global brand, localization is your lever. Next up, we'll dive into A/B testing metadata to make sure your optimizations aren't just live, they're winning.